Join us as we unbox and review the Marvel Legends series Captain Carter Premium Roleplay Shield from Disney's What If series. This full-scale replica is not just a collector's item but a piece of Marvel history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome Marvel gear reviews. The Marvel Legends series Captain Carter Premium Roleplay Shield is a remarkable addition to any Marvel enthusiast's collection. Inspired by the Disney Plus series, What If, this shield is a 1:1 full-scale replica of the one wielded by Peggy Carter after she becomes the super soldier. The shield boasts an impressive design, mirroring the iconic look of Captain Carter's vibranium shield. The attention to detail is evident in the series-inspired deco and finish, which gives it an authentic and premium feel. The build quality is solid, and the shield feels durable, yet it's surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to carry around for extended periods, whether for cosplay or display. One of the standout features of this shield is its adjustable straps. They are designed to fit a variety of arm sizes comfortably, ensuring that anyone can wield the shield just like Captain Carter. This feature is particularly appreciated by cosplayers who need their props to be both functional and comfortable. Priced at around $107, it's not the cheapest collectible out there. However, considering the quality and the niche it caters to, the price seems justified. It's an investment for serious collectors and fans who value accuracy and quality in their roleplay gear. From the moment you hold the shield, you can tell it's a well-crafted piece. It's not just a toy, it's a collector's item that pays homage to the character of Captain Carter and her role in the Marvel Universe. The shield photographs beautifully, making it a fantastic piece for content creators and social media enthusiasts looking to add a touch of Marvel to their feeds. The Marvel Legends series Captain Carter Premium Roleplay Shield is a must-have for fans of the series and collectors alike. Its high-quality construction, accurate detailing, and functional design make it a standout piece. Whether on display or in action, it's sure to be a conversation starter and a prized possession in any Marvel collection.